This is the LGGZ series piston filler from Cleveland Equipment. The LGGZ series is currently offered in an LGGZ 250 and also an LGGZ 1000 models. Check the specifications on these. You can go to the clevelandequipment.com website to get the pricing and the specification. So we're going to start off by filling the hopper. We're going to use plain clear water just for test. However, this machine will do more viscous products such as paste, gels, creams, as long as you don't get too viscous. First thing we're going to do, there's the side of the pedal. We're going to turn the power on. One pedal stomp equals one discharge. Hitting the pedal for you a few times just so you can see how the mechanism works. It has a secondary cutoff valve other than the rotary valve that is located in the nozzle. All the machine is 316L stainless steel at all contact points. What I'm doing here is adjusting the output pressure or the fill pressure. So if you, well actually I'm turning this up, so if you increase it, that's going to show you how it will increase the output at the spout. It'll turn up pretty good, and I've still got quite a bit of room left to turn it up if I needed an application to discharge that quickly. More viscous products takes a little more pressure than the thinner products, so we're going to crank the pressure down some. See, you can actually turn it down to where it's almost a drip. It's easy to tune and easy to dial in to what product you're doing, so according to what product you're filling will determine how much pressure you want to put to it. Fill the hopper back up here. Now what we're going to do here is adjust the fill amount or the volume using the volumetric crank. As you can see, it's going to move the sensor underneath the air-tack piston. That position sensor tells the piston how far to draw back and how much to draw from the hopper into the chamber, and in turn how much to discharge. It's really easy to adjust. Of course, if you were filling small bottles, you'd want to adjust the pressure down from the way it is now so you wouldn't get splash. You can also adjust the pressure from the air regulator. So if you're adjusting the throttle valve and it's still too much pressure, you can always come down to the air regulator and adjust it down as well. So you have quite a bit of room to move as far as your pressure and your output, your fill pressure based on your product and its viscosity. All the pistons on this machine are made by air-tack. Kind of giving you an overview of the machine. This is the main air-tack piston. Your three buttons on the front are the power button, the automatic and manual mode button, and the clean mode button. You can turn the machine on automatic as I'm doing here, and what it will do, it will just continually discharge cycle after cycle. And you can use the back throttle body at that time to space out the amount of time in between the fill cycles. So basically what you're doing is controlling the speed at which that piston is returning before it starts this new stroke. So that gives you an option if you ever want to integrate it into some type of line in the future. So this machine can grow with you as you grow.